While doctors conduct protests in West Bengal demanding basic safety at the workplace and justice for the 31-year-old doctor who was allegedly raped and murdered on August 9, a TMC politician has now made a very shocking statement saying that protesting doctors are turning into butchers. In fact, party MLA Lovely Maitra has now said that in the name of protest, those who come for treatment are being deprived of treatment by the doctors. In fact, the TMC is also attempting to calm the chaos of their politicians' statements during controversy. Party General Secretary Abhishek Banerjee has also put a message on social media directed towards the members of the AITC. In fact, in the message, he has also urged everyone to be humble and sympathetic, stating nobody can speak ill of the medical fraternity or the civil society. He has also further stated that all those protesting doctors have the right to protest.
মৃত্যুর সঙ্গে পাঞ্জা লড়ছে, তাদের কোনো চিকিৎসা